Today I'll be comparing the Fake AirPods Pro 3 versus the Real AirPods Pro 3. So let's go ahead and get right into the video, guys. First, I want to start off by comparing the packaging. So usually the Fake AirPods comes in a different box, but if you open up that box right there, you should see the Real AirPods box right here. Well, not the Real AirPods box, but a box looking like the Real AirPods Pro 3 box. And then on the right here, we have the Real AirPods Pro 3 box, and then on the left right here, we have the Fake AirPods Pro 3 box. So right away you could see that the front kind of looks very similar, but if you rub your hands across it, you'll realize that this 3D print right here kind of feels more like engraved and more high quality, while this one right here doesn't feel as smooth as this one right here over on the right, which is the real one. And then if you turn it up like this, then you'll realize a huge difference right here when it comes on to the serial number right here. So on the real one, which is on the right, you can see that the serial number is almost like engraved onto the box. But on the left right here, you can pretty much see that the serial number right here is on a sticker, and then that sticker is then pasted onto the box right here. So that's a huge difference right there when it comes on to packaging. And then when it comes on to the Apple logo, there's really no differences right there. Like, it's hard to spot a difference. I'm pretty sure there's some kind of difference. I could feel it. So on the right, which is the Real AirPods Pro 3, if you rub your fingers here, you can feel that it is like smooth. It's almost like built to be a part of the box. While on the left side, which is the Fake AirPods Pro 3, you could rub your hands and you could kind of feel where this was like paste on or print on. And then when it comes down to the top part right here, pretty much the same thing. On the right is more smooth on the real one versus the left one. You can kind of feel where it was pasted on or printed on. And then same here with the same Apple logo, same stuff. The real one is more smoother than the fake one. And then when it comes on to the back part right here, there's really no huge difference right here, but if you look closely, you will realize that this is the real one right here. And as you can see, the text on the fake one, it is slightly different from the real one. Like, if you look closely, you realize that the font is a bit different, and also the shade of the font is also a bit different. Like, I'm looking at it right here, you can see that some of the texts are bold on the real one, while on the fake one, you can see, for example, seek immediate medical attention. That's bold on the real one versus the fake one. Seek immediate attention is not bold. So just some small differences there. And also, while I was unboxing the real one, I noticed while pulling these tabs right here, it went perfectly smooth versus the fake one. You guys can see it wasn't that smooth. Like, while I was taking these off, some of them kind of broke, and I kind of had to use my knife to actually cut it out to get it out. While on the real one, I just swiped and I was able to get it out right away. All right, so now let's go ahead and open this real quick. So unboxing experience here, the real is on the right and the fake is on the left. So as you guys can see, pretty much we get the same design by Apple in California on both sides. But as I said again, if you look closely, you will realize that the text is kind of a different font, and also the shade of the text is kind of different. Now, pretty much you also get the same paperwork on both the real and the fake ones. Like, the paperwork is almost one for one, but as I said, if you look closely, you will find some differences with the text style pretty much. And then this is where a big difference is. So on the fake one, as you guys can see right here, the AirPods comes in like a translucent paper right here, while on the Real AirPods Pro 3, it comes in this white paper right here that is not translucent. Like, you can't really see through this paper right here. So that's a huge difference right here. So let's just put these to the side for now, and let's go to the ear tips real quick. Now on the ear tips, it's pretty much the same, but if you look closely on the quality and feel the quality, you'll realize that there's a huge difference when it comes on to the quality. And also, just looking at this, I'm not sure if it's just me or you guys are seeing this on camera, but the fake ones look more whiter than the real ones. Like, the fake ones look more brand new, probably because I got the fake ones after the new ones. But you can see on the real one, it kind of has this creamish looking color. But on the ear tips, you can definitely see that there's some huge difference right there. And again, as you guys can see, the text also looks a bit different. Like, this is me trying to remove the ear tips on the real one. So let me just remove the ear tips on the real one. Pretty nice and easy. But the fake one, it's almost impossible to take this guy off. Like, did they glue this on or something? Like, it shouldn't be that hard. Yeah, it's not coming off. Dang. Wow. It's almost if I have to like, it almost seems like I have to like cut it out or something, but we're not gonna do that right now. So, oh, and also on the back right here, you can see you get kind of a QR code right there on the real one. And on the fake one, you get a QR code also. But I'm gonna go ahead and scan that and see if both of them will scan and take me to a website or something. All right, so I'm gonna scan the real one right here. Boom. Right away, it takes me to the AirPods user guide on the Apple website. And then I'm gonna go ahead and try to scan the fake one. Now, as you guys can see, the fake one doesn't even recognize that it is a QR code. Like my iPhone doesn't recognize it is a QR code or anything like that. While on the real one, right away, it picks it up as a QR code and takes me to the Apple support website right away. Now that we have the packaging comparison out of the way, let's go ahead and compare the actual AirPods. This is a fake one on a translucent paper right here, and then this is the real one right here. Let's take it out. Boom, nice and easy. So fake on left, real on right. So the first thing I noticed when I take these out is that the LEDs are different. So on the right, you can see that this is the LED on the real one, and then on the left, this is the LED on the fake one. As you guys can see right here, on the real one, the LED is way brighter than the one on the fake one. So that's just one thing to note. And then if you take a look at the vents right here, I'm not sure if it's going to pick up on camera, but the vents are a little bit different. And also the USB-C port is also a little bit different. I mean, not enough for you to recognize with your bare eyes, but if you look close enough, you realize that the mesh is a different design, and also the USB-C port is a different design. Let me try to give you guys a close-up and let me know if you guys can see the difference on camera. Not sure if my lens will be able to pick this up. And then on the back, both the fake and the real one both says designed by Apple in California, and one of them, which is the real one right here, said it was assembled in Vietnam, while the fake one right here said it was assembled in China. Now I know that sometimes the real one actually are being assembled in China, and sometimes you can even get a fake one that is assembled in Vietnam. So what I'm saying here is that you shouldn't just use where it was assembled to determine if it is fake or real. But right here in my case, the fake one was assembled in China and the real one was assembled in Vietnam. Also for the lanyard loop, as you guys can see right there, it looks pretty much the same, but if you look close enough, you'll realize that there's a difference on the real one versus the fake one. I'm not sure if you guys can pick it up on camera right there, but that's the difference right there. Also, I'm not sure if you're gonna pick this up on camera also, but you can see when you close the case right here, the top part and the bottom part, you can see on the fake one, I'm not sure if this is being picked up on camera also, but there's kind of a gap between the top and the bottom case on the fake one, while on the real one, it is almost like seamlessly closed. Like there's no gaps or any like creases. Like you kind of see like when you even close this, there's a little bit of an overlap on the fake one right here. And I just want to do a speaker test when you plug these earpods in. All right, so this is the real earpods being plugged in, and this is how it sounds. And then this is how the fake earpods sounds when you plug it in. Honestly, I have to say that the speakers sounds very similar when you plug it in, so there's almost no differences there. But let me know if you guys hear a difference in the case speakers on the fake AirPods Pro 3 and the real AirPods Pro 3. Alright, so now opening up the cases, you can see there's a huge difference also when it comes on to the texts that are inside the case right here. So as you guys can see, this is the real AirPods Pro 3 right here. And as you guys can see, this is how the text look on the real AirPods Pro 3. And you guys can see if I go over to the fake AirPods Pro 3, there's a huge difference when it comes on to how the texts look. I'll try to do them side by side here. Hopefully it's being picked up on camera. As you guys can see, the text is slightly different when it comes on to the fake AirPods Pro 3 and the real AirPods Pro 3. Also, if you look closely in the charging terminal, you'll realize that the charging terminal right there inside for the AirPods itself is slightly different on the fake AirPods Pro 3. And then this difference that I'm going to talk about right here is almost something that they never get right. So on the real AirPods Pro 3, if you go like this, like you can see that the case is pretty much glued on together pretty good and premium, while on the fake AirPods Pro 3, if you go like this, you can see you can almost open up the case like that. Like the glue is not as strong as the glue that they use on the real AirPods Pro 3. Like if I go like this with my fingernails, you can see I can almost like open up the case with my fingers. So that's one thing to always check if you're trying to identify a fake AirPods Pro 3 or just any fake AirPods in general. They almost never get this design to be good right here. Let's talk about the earpods themselves. Now, the earpods is almost the same, to be honest. Like, design is pretty much the same, but again, if you look closely, you'll realize that the text is slightly different. As you can see, the real one is on my right here, and the fake one is on my left right there. And as you can see, the text is slightly different. Also, the text is slightly different right underneath the earpods right there. You can see text on the fake one, which is on the left, is darker than the one that is on the right there. And yes, you do get the heart rate sensor on the fake AirPods Pro 3, but does it work? That's another story that we'll find out later on in this video. Also, if you look closely on the meshes right here, on the back right here, you can see that on the real one, it is kind of different versus the one on the fake one right there. And then to also take off the fake AirPods earbud right here, it is almost impossible. Like, I literally break the fake AirPods right here trying to take off this ear tip right here. But on the real one, you can pretty much take it off pretty much easily. Now let's compare the software and features that comes with the fake AirPods Pro 3 versus the real AirPods Pro 3. So when it comes down to the software between the fake AirPods Pro 3 and the real AirPods Pro 3, it is almost impossible to spot the difference. Like, if you don't know what to look for, trust me, you'll be tricked in buying the fake AirPods Pro 3 and thinking that it's the real AirPods Pro 3. So let's go ahead and start off with the comparison. So now, if you open up the case on the real AirPods Pro 3, you pretty much get the animation like that. That's the animation on the real AirPods Pro 3, and this is the animation on the fake AirPods Pro 3. So as you can see, it is almost identically the same. Like, when you open up your fake AirPods Pro 3 case, like, you get the same pop-up animation, just as how you get it on the real AirPods. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and go into settings and kind of compare the settings real quick. All right, so this is the fake AirPods Pro 3, and as you can see, you pretty much get the same settings as you would on the real AirPods Pro 3. So you pretty much get the option to rename your AirPods however you want it. You get all the listening modes, but do they work? That's another story that we'll find out later on in this video. You also get like hearing protection, and again, does hearing protection work? That's what we're going to compare later on in this video. And then you get the option to customize the press and hold stuff. Like, you could do listening mode or Siri when you press and hold. You could do what you want to do, the call controls. You pretty much get the same like options that you would get with the real AirPods Pro 3. You even get head gestures, and yes, the head gestures do work, and you even get pause when falling asleep. And you also get the option to turn off or turn on your heart rate sensor, which is surprising. Like, I'm actually surprised that they actually have the heart rate settings inside the software on the fake AirPods Pro 3. But we're going to compare it and see if it actually works. And right now, this is saying that I actually have AppleCare on the fake AirPods Pro 3 right here. And you also get a serial number, you get the versions and all that. You also get the model name and all that stuff right there. I also want to compare the sound quality and sound features of the fake AirPods Pro 3 versus the real AirPods Pro 3. Alright, so right now I'm connected to my fake AirPods Pro 3, and I'm gonna go ahead and test out some of these features. So one thing I realized, I have conversation awareness on right now, and conversation awareness is not even working. Like, so usually it would like lower my music while I'm listening to it, and it's not lowering the music. So let me go ahead and just kind of watch something. Let's see what Andrea's uploaded today. So right now it's playing something in the fake AirPods Pro 3, and I'm talking, but it didn't like lower the volume or anything like that as I'm talking. Like, I'm talking and it doesn't like lower the volume. Like, yeah, it doesn't even work. Wait, actually, as I'm testing this right now, it does work, but it doesn't like lower it all the way. It's like slightly lowered. It doesn't lower it as much compared to the real AirPods Pro 3, but conversation awareness does work. Like, it lowers it a slightly bit. Like, you have to listen closely to hear the difference. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off conversation awareness and see if that makes a difference. So turning it off, talking, just talking right here. Yeah, it doesn't lower the volume when conversation awareness is off. So yeah, conversation awareness definitely works, but as I said, it doesn't really lower the volume as much. So yeah, let's check out transparency mode on the fake AirPods Pro 3. Going in transparency mode, I do hear the difference, but it is not as huge as it would be on the Real AirPods Pro 3, and also the transparency mode doesn't seem as natural as it would be on the Real AirPods Pro 3. And also adaptive mode, that works good but not as good as it is on the Real AirPods Pro 3. Also noise cancellation works on the Fake AirPods Pro 3 but not as good as it would on the Real AirPods Pro 3. It is kind of hard to compare these features on videos because I can only tell you if it works or if it works good or if it works bad, but you guys can't really hear the difference while watching the videos. But just take my word for it, noise cancellation does work but not as good as it would on the Real AirPods Pro 3. But one thing I realized that doesn't work at all is the hearing aid feature. Like if I turn the hearing aid all the way up, it doesn't make a difference whether I turn it all the way up or turn it all the way down. There's no difference when it comes down to the hearing aid. So I have to say that the hearing aid doesn't work on the Fake AirPods Pro 3. And when it comes down to spatial audio, honestly, spatial audio works, but it doesn't work as good as the Real AirPods Pro 3. Also, while I'm testing the spatial audio, I have to talk about the sound quality, and the sound quality sounds actually good on the Fake AirPods Pro 3. But one thing to note, it has a lot of bass to it, so you won't hear much of the mids and the highs, but the bass sounds really good. But don't get me wrong, it doesn't sound better than the Real AirPods Pro 3, but the bass sounds really good. So if you're a bass person, you'll definitely love the Fake AirPods Pro 3 sound quality. I'm gonna test out the heart rate sensor. Let's go ahead and start our hiking workout even though we're not hiking, and let's see if our heart rate sensor works on the Fake AirPods Pro 3. So as you can see, I have my Fake AirPods Pro 3 connected and it is using the heart rate sensor, but as you can see over here, there's literally no data for the heart rate sensor, like it's not working. And just to show you guys, I'm just going to switch over to the Real AirPods Pro 3 and you'll see that right away it actually gives me my BPM for my heart rate. So we're on the Real AirPods Pro 3 right now, and as you guys can see, my heart rate sensor is working right away as I start my hiking workout. Right now we're at 88 BPM and it just jumped to 100 BPM as I'm talking right here. Yeah, 100 BPM is kind of high, but I'm not sure how accurate this heart rate sensor is, but maybe I need to go to the doctor. Also on the Fake AirPods Pro 3, you don't get precision Find My, and when it comes down to playing that case sound, it doesn't work on the Fake AirPods Pro 3. Like you see, I'm playing the sounds right here and it's not even playing on the Fake AirPods Pro 3 case right here. But one thing to note on the Fake AirPods Pro 3, sometimes you do get the sound to play on the AirPods itself, but not on the case. As you guys can hear right now, it is playing on the AirPods itself. While on the Real AirPods Pro 3, you do get precision Find My and the speaker on the case does work. Now, I wanted to compare the microphone between the Fake AirPods Pro 3 and the Real AirPods Pro 3, but the microphone on the Fake AirPods Pro 3 doesn't even work, so it doesn't even make sense for me to compare the microphones. Like if it was working, you'll see that the waveform right here would be moving for the Fake AirPods Pro 3, but it is not moving, so that means it is not working. Like this is the Real AirPods Pro 3, and as I'm talking right now, you can see the waveform is moving right away. The Fake AirPods Pro 3 in this review was called the Pro 3 V6TB, and I know that each year they'll be working hard to improve the Fake AirPods to be as the Real AirPods. When the Fake AirPods Pro 4 comes out, it'll be almost impossible to spot the difference because each year they just keep on getting better, and each year the Fake AirPods are getting to look identical as the Real AirPods. I have to say that nowadays, to know if you have a Fake AirPods Pro 3 or a Real AirPods Pro 3 is almost impossible. But the best way to get a Real AirPods Pro 3 is to actually go to an Apple store in person and pick up one for yourself. So that way you know you'll be getting the Real AirPods Pro 3. Give this video a thumbs up if this video was helpful to you, and also comment down below if you have any questions about the Fake AirPods Pro 3, and also comment down below if there's any other detail that you could use to spot a Fake AirPods Pro 3. Please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos on the AirPods if you reach this far in the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.